user manual, screws and bolts, wheels, remote controller, power cable, bag for remote controller, and footrest. The seat frame, the backrest, the left and right armrest. Start the assembly by installing the wheels to the seat frame. Secure the wheels with the screws as shown. Next, fix the plastic bushings to the corresponding post on both sides of the backrest. Then position the backrest onto the seat frame. Fasten with screws. Next, untie the wires in the backrest and then carefully cut the nylon cable ties around the two attachment points on the seat frame. Now lay the chair down onto its left side. Attach the two attachments on the seat frame to the corresponding places on the backrest. Plug together the wires connecting the base and the backrest. Please remove the screws here before use, otherwise the product will be damaged. Affix the two mounting posts to the corresponding points on both sides of the backrest. Next, connect the air pump tubes, then attach the left and right armrest to the base and the backrest. And now we are going to attach the footrest part. Carefully cut the nylon cable tie. Loosen the screws, then take off the attachments. Connect the air pump tube and the wiring. Attach the two attachments to the footrest and attach the footrest to the seat frame. Fasten with screws. Attach the cushion to the backrest, zip on the top. Connect the wiring on the seat part, then zip the seat cushion into place. Attach the remote controller bag to the armrest. Finally, plug the power cord and the remote controller into the corresponding ports on the bottom right of the massage chair.